Once upon a time, in the serene village of Willowbrook, there lived a little girl named Luna. Luna loved exploring and discovering new things, and her cheerful spirit had a magical ability to brighten anyone's day. One sunny afternoon, Luna noticed something peculiar while playing in her backyard. A trail of sparkling dust stretched beyond her garden gate, leading towards the Whispering Woods, a place of ancient trees and gentle breezes that told stories if you listened closely. Curiosity piqued, Luna decided to follow the trail. As she entered the woods, she felt a comforting hug from the warm sunlight filtering through the leaves. Each step she took seemed to create a melody of soft rustling. The further Luna ventured, the more she felt the whispers surrounding her. "Welcome, Luna," a gentle voice said. "We're the trees of Whispering Woods, and today is a special day." The trees explained that today was the day of gratitude, where all the creatures of the forest gathered to celebrate the beauty and kindness in their lives. Luna was invited to join in their festivities. As Luna wandered deeper into the woods, she met a wise old owl who shared captivating stories of wisdom and courage. There were rabbits who danced joyfully to the humming tunes of the forest, and squirrels who played games while praising their abundant acorns. Luna sat beneath the oldest tree, Grandmother Oak, who shared tales of ancient times when only the moonlit paths guided travelers through the woods. Before she knew it, the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of purple and gold. The whispers turned into soothing lullabies as the forest creatures cuddled close to Luna, ensuring her warmth and comfort. Luna lay beneath the starlit sky, feeling grateful for this magical day of discovery and friendship. She closed her eyes, knowing that the trees would continue to whisper sweet dreams to her. And so, surrounded by the gentle embrace of Whispering Woods, Luna drifted into a peaceful sleep, her heart full of gratitude and love, ready for new adventures that the next day might bring.